Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, welcome back to another video. This video we are going to look at 5 special tips for the writing module. If you want to get your desired scores, if you do not want to waste your time and money and you are serious about getting your desired scores, do not miss out this video. I am going to share 5 special tips for the writing module. Now without any further delays, let's get into the video. Tip number 1, it is very crucial that you understand the marking criteria because writing is not what it looks like. Each and every student initially thinks that yes, to get 90 in writing, I have to make sure my essay is perfect, my summarized written text is perfect. But guys, trust me, even if you get a 0 score in essay and summarized written text, you can still get around 71, 72 points in writing. What does this mean? This means that majority of your points in your writing section are from listening and reading module. You need to understand the marking criteria. In total, there are 6 question types which will give you points in the writing module. Very first one is writing summarized written text, writing essay, reading and writing blanks, listening summarize spoken text, listening fill in the blanks, and listening write from dictation. Around 45 to 50 points in your writing come from listening. So you need to make sure your listening is perfect. Around 20-22 points from your reading, and remaining around 18 to 20 points from the writing module. So listening, write from dictation is the highest contributor in writing, followed by reading and writing blanks. Then summarize spoken text, writing essay, summarize written text, and listening blanks. So you need to focus on important tasks first and don't just need to focus on the writing module. So this was tip number 1, understand the marking criteria and focus on tasks outside the writing as well, which are going to contribute significantly towards your writing score. Tip number 2, do not just rely on templates in essay and summarize spoken text. Now a lot of students think that we have got a template, right? We don't really need to do anything else in essay or summarize spoken text. Remember, it's not just the template which will get you the scores. There was a time back in 2022 where you used to write a fixed template in every essay and you used to get the scores. That's not the case anymore. If you actually want to get your scores in essay and summarize spoken text, yes, you have to use the templates, but you need to make sure you use the template properly. You need to make the template work for yourself. How do you do that? Memorize the essay template properly and summarize spoken text template properly. Understand how it will work and add proper keywords. If you do not add proper keywords in summarize spoken text and in writing essay, template's not going to work. It's not going to be worth it. Using the same template, a student will even get 50, and using the same template, another student will get 90. So it's not the template which will get you the scores, it's more about how you use the template. So make sure you understand what the template is about, what the requirements are, how you have to add the keywords, and then go forward with it. Summarize spoken text and essay, use the template, but use it carefully. Make the template work for yourself. If you want to understand in depth how you have to use the templates, I will attach the link to the video in the description box. You can watch that as well. So that was a tip number 2. Use the templates properly, make them work for yourself. Tip number 3, summarize written text. Easiest task. This will contribute around 7-8 points in writing, and I would say these are free points. You don't have to work hard for these. You have to just connect 2, 3 or 4 sentences using connectors. I have given in-depth explanation of this task. I'll attach the link to the video in the description box, but I'll quickly explain as well. Any summarized written text you get, you need to make sure you write less than 75 words but more than 5 words, ideally between 50 to 70 words. You need to select 2, 3 or 4 sentences with important keywords. Write first sentence exactly from the passage, put comma and second sentence which you think is important. What is an important sentence? An important sentence is that sentence which has got good number of keywords. Keywords are nouns, proper nouns, common nouns, words repeated again and again, topic and all. You need to make sure your paragraph has got, or your sentences have got important keywords. So first sentence, comma and second sentence, then comma, furthermore, comma, third sentence, and then if the word limit allows, let's say you have written 3 sentences and you are already on 66 words, don't add another sentence, just put comma, moreover comma, 4 sentence, and that's all you have to do. 2, 3, maximum 4 sentences, join using the connectors. Just copy and paste, do not edit or try to type anything by yourself. Do not try to make sentences by yourself. Just write what is there in the passage and you will be 100% fine. So that was a summarized written text. Don't work hard, work smart in summarized written text and you'll get full points for it. Now let's move on to tip number 4. Tip number 4 are your spelling mistakes. Majority of the students do not get the scores in writing, and at the same time their listening scores are low as well. If you are not getting the scores in writing and your listening is low as well, either you're making mistakes in summarized spoken text or in listening fill in the blanks or in write from dictation. You need to make sure in these 3 question types there are no spelling mistakes. Summarize spoken text, if there's any word you're not sure about the spellings, do not write it. If you have less keywords, you repeat the same, but any word you're not sure about, do not write. Now, listening fill in the blanks, you need to make sure you practice, you cover all the listening fill in the blanks available on languageacademy.com.au. Whenever you practice any spelling mistake you make a list so that before a day or 2 days before your test, you can proofread and you do not repeat the same mistakes in the test, because the words in listening fill in the blanks which are available on languageacademy.com.au are pretty similar to what you'll get in your actual test. So make sure you cover all the fill in the blanks available on the website. And write from dictation, you have to make sure any word you're not sure about, you add an extra word. This is our tip number 5 as well. Write from dictation, you have to make sure you add extra words. For example, the sentence or the audio was, he is a good boy. Now you're not sure whether if it was he or she. You will write he space she. H will be capitalized because he is the first word of the sentence, and now you're writing an alternative word or alternate word for the first word, initial word of the sentence. So you will capitalize as for she as well, and then next word is, and then let's say you're not sure if it was a or the, so you can write he she is a the good. Let's say you're not sure about the spelling for good, you can write G-O-O-D, and you can write G-U-D as well. And now let's say you're not really sure it was boy or boys, you can write boy, boys both, and then full stop. Now what do I mean by this? Wherever you are in doubt, add extra words. It's clearly mentioned in Pearson's guideline that you get 1 point for each correct word, you're partially marked, and you are not awarded or given any negative marking for the incorrect words. So you have to make sure wherever you're in doubt, add extra words. You'll not be penalized either in writing or in listening for adding extra words in write from dictation. That is what I did in my recent Pearson test or PT test. I doubled the number of words. For example, the dictation was 10 words. I wrote 20 words just to check if we lose points if we add extra words, and I got 90 each. That is what we advise all our students as well. Wherever you are in doubt, add extra words. You're not sure about singular, plural, the words, the articles, the spellings, add extra words. You will be completely fine. And this is a tip number 5. Make sure whenever in doubt about spellings, words, singular, plural, add extra words in write from dictation. Will significantly help you boost your writing scores. But make sure you do not spend a lot of time because you have limited time in write from dictation. So if you follow these 5 tips, 100% your scores are gonna go up. I'll summarize the video. Tip number 1, you need to make sure you understand the marking criteria and work on listening and reading first and then on your writing part. Tip number 2, follow the templates in essay and summarize spoken text, but make sure you know how you have to add keywords and add proper keywords. Tip number 3, in summarize written text, you need to make sure you work smart, not hard. Just copy paste 2 to 3 sentences. When I say copy paste, means write the same. You can't copy and paste over there, but yes, you have to exactly write what's in the passage using connectors between maximum limit is 75, but try to write between 50 to 70 words, you'll be fine. Tip number 4, there shouldn't be any spelling mistakes in the listening module. And 5, wherever you have doubt in write from dictations, add extra words and you'll be 100% fine. If you follow these 5 tips, 100% your scores are going to go up. I know I've been using the word 100% a lot of times, but I'm pretty confident these tips are going to help you a lot. That's it from this video. Now what you need to do, you just need to go on languageacademy.com.au or download the LAPT exam practice app available on app and Google Play as well. I'll recommend practice on the website, on the computer, desktop or laptops, because your exam will be on a computer as well and you'll get used to it. When you practice on the website, you'll have a similar exam-like environment, and I request you, there are a number of mock tests available on the website for free. 1 free full score mock test, 4 extensive mock tests, 4 sectional mock tests, so 9 mock tests in total. You need to make sure you at least take the free full scored mock test that will give you a clear idea of what the exam is likely to be. You'll get time management tips, you'll get to know what the score you are likely to get in the test. So once you finish the mock test, the free one as well, you'll get scorecard, feedback, tutor analysis, question wise feedback, so that you know what mistakes you're making, how you have to improve the same, and what are the things you need to avoid in the test, the mistakes which you made in the mock test, so that you can get a higher score in your actual test and you do not waste your time and money taking the test again and again. Now go on languageacademy.com.au, practice. Make sure you take the free full scored mock test available on the website. And if you need any help, let me know in the comment section. If the video was helpful, do like, share and subscribe. If you need any help with classes, training for PT Academic, PT Core, we do provide classes. We have got a campuses in Australia, in India, and Nepal as well. And we have got students all around the globe studying online with us. We have got around 10 to 11 classes running every day. Timing will not be an issue for you. Just send us a message, give us a call, or visit our website, and our team will be with you, and we'll make sure, like other 50,000 students we have helped so far, we help you as well to get your desired scores without wasting your time and money. Varun from Language Academy. I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care and stay safe. I'll post another video next week on 5 special tips for the speaking module. So stay tuned. And now go on languageacademy.com.au and practice.